Today, I'll show you how to create an Overleaf account, a crucial step if you're looking to dive into the world of online LaTeX editing. Overleaf is a popular platform used by students, researchers, and professionals for creating and collaborating on LaTeX documents. Let's get started with setting up your account. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official website by typing in overleaf.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the sign up page, you have a couple of different options for creating an account. If you prefer using a social or institutional login, Overleaf makes this process quite seamless. You can choose to register using Google, Orchid, or IEEE. By selecting one of these options, you can link your existing account, which can save you time and make it easier to manage your login credentials. If you'd rather go the more traditional route, you can opt for the standard email login. To do this, simply enter your email address in the specified field. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as you'll need it to complete the verification process. Next, create a secure password. It's a good idea to choose a password that you haven't used on other sites to ensure your account's security. Once you've entered your email and created a password, click on the button that says Register using your email. After completing the registration form, it's time to verify your email address. Head over to your email inbox and look for a confirmation message from Overleaf. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes these emails can be mistakenly filtered out. Inside the email, you'll find a verification link. Click on this link to activate your account. This step is crucial, as it confirms that the email address you provided is valid and allows you to start using your new Overleaf account. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Overleaf account. You can now start creating, editing, and collaborating on your LaTeX projects. Whether you're working on a research paper, a thesis, or any other document, Overleaf offers a range of tools and features to help you produce professional quality work. Remember, if you chose to use a social or institutional login, you'll need to use the same method each time you log into your account. If you opted for the email and password route, keep your login details safe and consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's available for an added layer of security. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now that you've got your account all set up, you're ready to explore everything Overleaf has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.